Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Solving Tech. Myself Narayan Sharma. Today I am going to discuss with you about trigonometry. Since the trigonometry is one of the important chapter of class 10 maths book, so today our discussion is trigonometry and exercise it is 8.1. So student, please attend or watch the class very closely. Again, after watching the class, if you have any doubts related to this class, please comment on my comment box. Again student, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button. So student, let's discuss or let's go to our class. Student, here you see in exercise 8.1 of trigonometric chapter of class 10 maths, the question 1, I write the question in my board. In this question, in triangle ABC, B is the right angle and AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. Then find number 1 sin A cos A and number 2 sin C and cos C. So the question says that in triangle ABC, B is the right angle. That means the given triangle ABC is an right angled triangle. In right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Since it is right angle, so angle B is 90 degree. And measure of two sides of triangle ABC are given, AB equal to 24, BC equal to 7. Then we need to find the value of, in number 1 sin A cos A, in number 2 sin C cos C. So first we draw the right triangle ABC. So this is right triangle ABC of which angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now observe the side AB given 24 centimeter and BC given 7 centimeter. Okay. So first you write here solution. In right triangle ABC, angle B equal to how much? Angle B equal to 90 degree, since angle B is right angle. Then AB equal 24 centimeter and BC equal 7 centimeter. Okay, these two values are given in the question. Now we find the value of AC. We find the value of AC. So how we find the value of AC? In right triangle ABC we have Pythagoras theorem. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem we find the value of AC. In right triangle ABC, you see AB is perpendicular, BC is base and AC is the hypotenuse. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, you find the hypotenuse AC. Here you write applying Pythagoras theorem, we get Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is the Pythagoras. So our hypotenuse is AC, so AC square. Then our perpendicular is AB, so AB square. And our base is BC and it is BC square. Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now putting the value, AB value is 24 square and BC value is 7 square. 24 square 576 and it is 49, 7 square. Then we get 7 9 15 12, that is 625. Therefore AC equal to square root 625 and it is 25 centimeter. Now we observe, we get the value of AC is 24 centimeter. Here we write 24, not 24, it is 25 centimeter. Okay. So now we observe in triangle ABC or in right triangle ABC, we find measure of all the sides. That means already AB and BC are given. Then now with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we find the value of AC. And AC is the hypotenuse of right triangle ABC. Okay. Now you see, student, in question 1, we have to find the value of sin A and cos A. That means our angle A must be in base side of right triangle ABC. Therefore, we have to draw the right triangle ABC in this way. So that our angle A remain in base side. So this type of angle ABC, here you observe the angle A is base side of right triangle ABC. So now here also AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter and hypotenuse it is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now what we do, in respect of angle A, we have in respect of angle A we have base. You see, our base is AB. AB is 24 centimeter. Okay. Then perpendicular is BC and it is 7 centimeter. And hypotenuse is AC and which is 25 centimeter. Okay. Then find the value of sin A. Therefore sin A we know, sin A is P by H. Our value of P is 7 centimeter, H is 25 centimeter, centimeter cancel, we get 7 by 25. Okay. So in this way find the value of sin A. Next, cos A. Cos A we know it is, cos A is B by H. So value of B means base, that is 24 centimeter and H is 25 centimeter. Cancel, therefore we get 24 by 25. So this is answer of question 1. In question 1, since we need to find the value of sin A and we get sin A is 7 by 25. So cos A is 24 by 25. Okay, then move to question 2. In question 2, you see, we need to find the value of sin C and cos C. We need to find the value of sin C and cos C. That means our angle C must be remain in base. So say in respect to angle C. This time we write in respect to angle C. Base, our base is BC, which is 7 centimeter. Perpendicular is AB, that is 24 centimeter. And hypotenuse is AC and it is 25 centimeter. Okay. So in respect to angle C, we find the value of P, B and H. In respect to angle C, our B is 7 centimeter, perpendicular is 24 centimeter and hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. So now we find the value of C. Therefore sin C equal to P by H P is 24 centimeter, H is 25 centimeter. Centimeter cancel, we get 24 by 25. And cos C equal to B by H, that is B is 7 centimeter and H is 25 centimeter. Centimeter cancel, 7 by 25. So this is the answer of 2. Answer of 2. So in this way we can solve this question. Always you have to remember the angle, the definite angle must be remain in base side. So for this you have to redesign it. That means you have to draw the triangles so that your given angle must be in base. So student, I hope you understand the whole explanation or whole questions. If you have any doubts related to today's class, please comment on my comment box. Again student, please subscribe my channel and share it so that more and more students get benefited from this class. So student, today's class is finished here. In my next video, I take another class related to the trigonometry. So thank you for watching today's class. Thank you.